everyone, my name is Gerald and welcome back to my channel. Today it's February 6, 2025, day of Thursday. Today our content is we're going to change the battery of my 2022 Yamaha Mt-09 Master of Torque to Beast. It's been 3 years since I bought this motorcycle at the dealership, and unfortunately it's supposed to ride today, but the battery is dead. So let's change a new one. Good thing I have battery warranty when I purchased this motorcycle. So check it out. Stay tuned. Before I start this video, I would like to shout out all the riders here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and all over the world as well. And to all the Yamaha Mt-09ers, shout out with you guys. Shout out with our subscribers and new subscribers as well. And stay tuned. Peace. So this is the new battery that replaces my old one from the dealership. Since I purchased my lifetime battery warranty, so I don't need to pay anything. Just return the old battery to for recycle. And let's start installing this battery so we can start this Master of Torque, the Beast. So the battery comes with the manual and new set of bolts that connects to the connector. And let's start installing this so we can start riding. Okay folks, so the battery installation, the new battery installation is done or finished, and I just put the brace or bracket so it stays on place. And let's fire up this Master of Torque. Okay, let's fire up the motorcycle. Perfect.